Here is a review on a 50-year-old Xpelair taurus fan. There you go, there's the switch. It's a 1-speed setting fan. It's, well, I think it was made in 1970. It's 50 years old, about 49. It's nice and old. This was made by my great-grandmother, who passed it down to my grandparents. Now my grandparents let me have it. Very nice looking fan. As you can see, the blades are nice and shiny. They're really dirty, covered in dirt. But I cleaned good powers because how dirty they are. There's good fan view. Now we're going to change it. Here's the side view. The oscillation feature is broken on this fan. And here's the back. Anyways, this front. It does work. It's 1-speed setting, does work, but the fan housing, I can only attach these two together. I couldn't attach the bottom or the top ones together. Anyways, let's turn it on. You also can tilt it here. Tilt the head to face the camera. Here's on. Here's the spin down time, which is not bad actually. It's not a terrible spin down time, but it's better than like half my fans. My 12-inch one over there spins down in like 2 seconds. It's awful, but it's only bad. Let's turn to us back and let's see if we can listen to its startup sounds. It smells like garlics for some reason. I don't know. I hate garlics. Let's get close and let's turn it on. Apparently these are pretty hard to get your hands on these ones. Yeah, anyways. Let's turn it back. What's that noise? Someone turning it like here and stuff. Oh, anyways, that's the fan. Yeah. That's about it. They buy Xpelair taurus. It's made in Spain. And yeah, there you go. It's my 50-year-old. It's 50-year-old Xpelair taurus fan. Hope you like the fan. It's my oldest one I have, and it's the only vintage one I have. Or antique, I don't know.